Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to click photo on portrait mode. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on camera, then from here on the side you are going to find the portrait. Okay, so click here portrait. When you click on portrait, try to capture some pic. Okay, so you just front the camera and capture by yourself pic. Okay, so when you click photo you are going to find this the object will be clear, okay, but the background will be blur. Okay, you just try to imagine some pic. Okay, it will be blur when you try to click your pic, your own pic. Okay, so it will be object, no, you will be object and the back side you will be background, right? So it will be blur. Okay, and if it doesn't happen then you can give me comment. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.